It's holidays, guys, and it's the perfect time to make yourself or your family a cup of refreshing juice. I'll be sharing various juice recipes, but today I'll be starting with one of my favorites, the pineapple ginger juice. I love that this is so easy to make, very delicious, and you need just 2 ingredients and a blender to put this together. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes and you have yourself a cup of juice. So in this video, I'm going to also be trying out this new juicer that came along with my blender. For some reason, I haven't had an opportunity to try this out, so I'm also going to try it out today to see if it works. So as you can see, I'm just putting in my chopped pineapple, which first of all I washed and then cut into smaller pieces. I'm going to be putting them there, and I'm also going to be adding in some ginger. At this point, I was really skeptical if this was going to work, but then let's keep it going. If it does, it's definitely going to make my juicing process way faster. One thing I love about this pineapple ginger juice is that firstly, it aids digestion. So if you are having indigestion, this is perfect for you. It also boosts your immune system, it reduces inflammation, and it supports detoxification. Yes, that's because it contains pineapple and ginger, and both pineapple and ginger have numerous vitamins and minerals that generally improve well-being. So this is a perfect immune booster if because of the weather you are getting some cold or you just want something to boost your family's immune system. This is a go-to. They wouldn't even notice they are taking fruits if they are people that don't like taking fruits, because this is going to come out very delicious. And if you are like me, trying to reduce soda and all those overly processed drinks, then this is a perfect go for you. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. But fam, I think I'm still going to go ahead to strain this because it still had some of the pulp in it, and then I just wanted my pineapple ginger juice to be really smooth. I didn't want to start tasting all of that pineapple stuff in it, so I still went ahead to strain this, and I advise you do so, except you just like the taste of the pineapple pulp in your juice. This is not the first drink recipe we'll be sharing, so you can as well check our drink playlist to get full list of other quick options you can make for your family. And of course, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time on our channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you would know when we upload a new video. Let me know what you think about this. This is my favorite way to serve it. All you need to do, just put some ice in a glass cup, add in your juice, and this is perfect. I would really love to know if you are going to be trying out this recipe. Like I said, this is really quick and easy. You need just 2 ingredients, and in 5 to 7 minutes you are done. And like I said, also it's perfect for kids, so you can also give this to your kids. I bet they are going to enjoy it. So fam, let me know what you think about this recipe if you are going to be trying it out, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.